Hello everyone, welcome back to Samish Learning. I'm Zapaisha Abdi and today I will show you how to make a simple basic skirt block pattern. This pattern includes both the front and back sections together on a single sheet. This pattern is without any zipper allowance, so you can cut it out and use it for various skirt designs. To begin, you will need a few key measurements: round waist, round hip, waist to hip length and full length. These measurements are essential for creating a fitted skirt block that follows your body shape. So first I marked the full length of the skirt, which is 61 cm in my case. Next, on the bottom line, we will use a formula: round hip divided by 2 plus 2.5 cm. I got 49 cm, so I marked 49 cm along the bottom line. Since this is a basic block, we are drafting both the front and back section together. Now on the waistline, we will use another formula: round waist divided by 4 plus 3 cm for front dart. I got 19.75 cm, so I marked 19.75 cm on the waistline. Next, I marked the hip line at 20 cm down from the waistline. In my case, this is waist to hip length, which is common for both front and back, so I marked on both the front and back section. Since we are drafting both the front and back on the same paper, I took the 49 cm measurement from the bottom line and halved it, getting 24.5 cm here. I marked 24.5 cm to separate both the front and back section. I did the same on the hip line as well as bottom line. Then I drew a vertical line to separate both the front and back section. I took the waist to hip length, which is 20 cm in my case, and halved it, getting 10 cm for the dart length. So again I marked on both front and back section, as we are making front and back skirt pieces on single sheet. Now using a French curve, I joined the waistline and hip line with a smooth curve to shape the skirt for the body, and scale, French curve, whatever I have used here, I will link it in the description box, so make sure to check them out. I divided the waist measurement in half, then drew a vertical line down from the waistline to dart length of 10 cm to create a dart. For the front waist, I marked 1 cm down to slightly lower the waistline. Here I marked 1.5 cm on each side of this line, totaling 3 cm for the dart width. And that's it, the front block of the skirt is now ready. Alright, now let's work on the back piece and finalize our skirt block pattern. So for the back piece of the skirt, we will use a formula: round waist divided by 4 plus 4 cm for back dart. In my case, measurement came out to 20.75. I marked 20.75 on the waistline for the back. Next, I divided this 20.75 in half to locate the dart placement. I drew a vertical line down from the waistline for the back dart. Here I marked 2 cm on each side of the vertical line, totaling 4 cm for the back dart needed to shape the back of the skirt. Now again, using a French curve, I connected the waistline to the hip line, creating a smooth curve that follows the natural body shape. That's it. Our basic skirt block pattern is ready. This block can be used as a foundation for many skirt design. And finally, we are cutting along the lines and our skirt block pattern is good to go. I have provided the link to the front cuff and scale I used in the description box, so be sure to check those if you needed them. you so much for watching and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye.